Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to translate your website into over 85 languages with unlimited instant translations. So we are going to use an online tool which is the Linguist. So the first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out linguist.com and would be redirected to this website. Okay, so after typing out, you'd be able to see here the homepage. You can see here that they can translate your website into over 85 languages with unlimited instant translations. So they can also increase your traffic from Google, Baidu, or Yandex search engines by 40%. So they will make the installations for free. So right there, you'd be able to see that they also have 1 month free trial. And yeah, no credit card needed for the free trial plan. Now, when we scroll down right here, you'd be able to see all of the details of this website. So if you're planning to grow your business, of course, I think and I believe that this website is the best for your business. So now let's go to the integration sections. So right here we have WordPress, Wix, Shopify, Joomla, Squarespace, custom integrations, Webflow, and more. So when you go here to the explore sections, as you can see, we have here about 40 plus CMS integration. So right here we have WordPress, Shopify, Squarespace. So if you are using one of these platforms, so Linguist is the best one or the best tool that can help you to translate your language. So for this video, we are going to try the Wix one. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this later on. So we're just going to click on the Wix. So we are going to translate our Wix website with a Cloud AI automatic translation. So translate your Wix website and shop store instantly using the Cloud AI automatic translation in just minutes. So what we're going to do here is to click on the ask for a free installation option. And then right here, when we scroll down, you'll be able to see here they checked the demo website. So check out the demo website translation quality with a 100% neutral machine translation. So we are going to check this one first. So currently our language is English. So when we scroll down, all of the details or all of the text of this website are English. So now let us try to change the language of this website. So to do that, you will just have to navigate to this icon right here at the top center. And as you can see, this are the available language for this website. So you just have to select the language that you want to use. And as you can see, the text or the words of this website change into the language that you want to use. Okay, so that's how accurate and it is working 100%. And of course, for this video, I'm going to show you on how you can do this one. Okay, so now let's go back and register for an account here on Linguist. So you just have to click on register and translate now. Okay, so this one below the check the demo website and you'd be directed to this page. So right here to create your account, you can type out right here your full name, your email address, and then your password. And of course, you can register with Google or register with Microsoft. So I'm just going to register with my Google account. You just have to click on it. And right here for step number 1, you have to get done with your domain, CMS, and language. So we have right here your name, the URL, the platform, the translation languages, and more details. So we are going to start with the URL. So you are going to put your main domain URL right here, and then you have to choose your platform. So we are going to use the Wix. And for our current language, it is English. So we are going to search for English. And for the translation languages, if you want to add, you just have to search that language. And if you want to remove one, you just have to click on the X icon. Now, if you want to translate URLs, you just have to click on yes or no. And after setting up the step number 1, you just have to click on the next step option at the bottom right of your screen, and you'd be directed to the step 2, which is the language and DNS. So for step number 1, you have to log into your DNS provider through entry. Step 2, entry will copy Linguist DNS languages and verifications. For step number 3, done, your website will be translated in 10 to 30 minutes. So here, your site builder CMS requires a DNS configuration to set up or to set the language per subdomain. and then you can do that automatically using the entry. Just click the connect to your DNS automatically button to start connecting to your DNS manager and add them with entry. Or you can manually configure your domain by clicking add DNS entries myself button. So what you're going to do here is to connect your DNS automatically. So just click on this button and you'd be directed to this section. So here, Linguist uses the entry to easily configure your domain. So encrypted login protects your personal data, and then no developer needed automatically configure domain settings to work with this one. So you just have to click on continue. Now they're analyzing your domain. So after this one, you will then just have to log into your Wix details. So type out right here your email address as well as your password and click on continue. And then a code will be sent to your email. So you just have to check your Gmail and then just have to paste here the code and click on continue. Then after that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, your domain is now configured. So for step number 3 is the installation instructions. So we just have to follow these instructions right here. So the instructions below to install the Linguist on your domain. So install Linguist on your domain. So just copy the following code and add it to the head of your HTML page. It will display the switcher module automatically. So as you can see right here, our DNS propagation is on its way and waiting for propagation. So to do that, to propagate this one, we have to log into our Cloudflare. So it is a leading web infrastructure and cybersecurity company that provides a comprehensive suite for services to enhance the performance, reliability, and security of website applications and networks. So you just have to follow the instruction for propagations, and after that one, you'd be able to see this green section. It means that you have successfully propagated your DNS. Okay, so we have here the following details on how you can do that. And as you can see, your subdomain's DNS has been configured properly. Next one is to copy the following code and add it to the head of the HTML page, and it will display the switcher module automatically. So you just have to copy this one and then go to our Wix website. And what we are going to do here is to click on the settings. Okay, that's right. And under the settings, we have here different options. So you just have to click on the custom code. Okay, and we'd be redirected to the section. And as you can see, I already have this code. So we are going to delete this one and replace it to the code that we have copied. So just click on this add custom code and then paste it right here. And then just have to change the name into Linguist. Then after that, you just have to click on the apply, and after that it will display the switcher module automatically. Now let's go to the language and flags display. So just click on the settings at the top and click on the flag section, and then right here you'll be able to see the language preview. So we can change this one. So just go to the language display. So we have side by side, drop down, and pop up. So what I'm going to use right here is the drop down. So after selecting your language display, you also have here the positions. So we have different positions. So I'm just going to use tap left. And then if you wanted to use flags, language name, or short names, you just have to toggle the switch on. Then after that, we have here the language names display. So we have the name of the language, we have the flag, and if you want to change the flag style, the German flag style, the Portuguese flag styles, you just have to go to the section. And then after that, we also have the settings right here. We have the flag box shadow, the flag box shadow and hover. So you just have to change this one and click on save after that. Now let's go to our domain list. So right here, we'd be able to see all of our domain, or the domain that we have added to Linguist. Okay, so we have here the plan, the status, the core, the usage, and the actions. Now on the members section, you'll be able to see here your members list, and we have here the invoices and the billing details as well. And on the other side, we have our payment methods. So if you wanted to connect it to your PayPal account, you just have to click on the connect to PayPal account. Now going back here, when we clicked on our dashboard, you'll be able to see here the translated characters, the translated words, the input bandwidth, the requests, and the analytics. So we have here the pages views per language in the last 30 days and the multi-language page views in the last 30 days.
So here we also have the rules, the translation sections, the live editor, and the settings.
So basically, with linguists, you're not just breaking language barriers, you're building bridges to a global audience effortlessly. So why limit your reach when you can connect with the world? Make the smart choice today, embrace linguists, and watch your content transcend boundaries like never before. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.